The following content in this video is only for educational purpose, not to harm any data or a live person or company. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing absolutely well. So today in this video we're going to see some basic steps of Kdp. So this is going to be a part 1 of this Kdp video series. So in this video series we are going to cover some basic things what we need to know before we start career in Kdp. So let's know basic things. But before we start the tutorial, make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel and join our Facebook group premium share to get daily updates. So what is Kdp? So this is an Amazon direct Kindle selling platform. People usually upload two type of products, one called ebook and other called paperbacks. So what ebook, we already know this is one kind of digital ebook like a PDF what people read, and the other is called paperbacks. So what is paperback? In paperbacks, people make and upload activity books. What activity books? This like workbook or something like coloring book or puzzle book or notebook, diaries, this etc. This is called paperback. So basically there's two ways that you can earn. So if you like to make your own ebook and sell here, then you can check out my this video where I have shown you how you can easily make your own ebook and do sell. And if you are interested in paperbacks, so watch this full video and watch the next video where I'm going to show you the advanced level of things what you are going to need in paperbacks for creating paperbacks and do Kdp. So okay, the most important and interesting fact about working on Amazon Kdp is you don't have to worry about marketing because as you know, Amazon is a big marketplace in the whole world. There are billions of traffic visit each day and purchase a lot of products from here. So our point is we have to create as much as product here so that if someone search with any keyword or to related to our product, then our product comes up in the result so that we can make money if they buy our product from this search rank list. So at first we have to set a target. So the target means we have to upload at least 100 products on a same niche. So we can same niche, I mean if we choose kids, then we have to make all activity books related to kids, like coloring books for kids or activity sheets for kids or diaries for kids, journal for kids, this type of books for kids what help kids. Okay, so we have to make everything at least 100 activity books related to that kid niche, and then we can go for the next niche. Okay, so the Q4 niche, the Q4 is near, so Halloween is a very effective for targeting. Anyway, so there are some other activity books what we can create and focus on. So at least make 100 ebooks, and our paperbacks would be, we are going to make paperbacks between 100 to 120 pages. Okay, so we are going to see how we can make covers, how we can make book covers, how we can make interiors, and the most important fact is the keyword research. So if you are good at keyword research, then it will be easy for you to rank the paperback what you created here in the top. So why you need to rank in the top? Because if you get ranked in top, whenever someone search with your keyword, with your product keyword, you get ranked, and there is a chance and there is a possibility that you get sell of your product what you make. We can see how this works. So let's see the bestseller things, how it works. So this is a calculator what calculate the amount of sales of the bestsellers books, what they ranked in a particular keyword. So suppose we get this bestseller rank number, and then calculate this. So this is a coloring book what we are going to see what the sell amount. So just give here the exact amount of exact number of that bestseller rank, and after that click on calculate sales. So as you can see, he's getting so much sale in one day, and if we calculate the per day income, this will be more than 100, and if we calculate the per month earning, then it's huge. So you can see this is a very good earning source for us without doing a much effort. And after we get expert in this uploading niche related content, then we can focus on trending. So if we focus on trending, then it will help us to sell our products. We can make profit 10 times more than as usual. So here's another thing to mention, that keyword research. So keyword research is the very important thing when you are doing KDP. So there's a lot of paid tools what people usually use for doing keyword research. There's tools like KDP Spy, then Bookboard keyword research, then Publisher Rocket. I'm personally using the Publisher Rocket for finding most profitable keywords for making ebooks. So if you want to get this Publisher Rocket tool, then you can check out the link in video description to get discount for that tool. Or if you have not any budget, then you can check out my next videos where I am gonna show you how you can do free research. If I got time, then I can show in this video how you can do free keyword research. But don't worry, I am also going to focus on the free tools what you can use to get your Amazon keywords. So there is some limitation, but it will help you to get your keywords. But as I said, there's a limitation, so you don't get the full amount of data, but it will help you to make your content. So that's all for today. I hope you like this video, and as I said, that this is just a basic video where I am showing you, what you have to do before starting our KDP, and we are going to focus the things what we mentioned in the middle of this video in the next video. So have a great day, and see you in our next KDP video, where I am going to show you how you can create covers, how you can do research, free research, and how you can upload. So thanks for watching this video. Keep sharing and response and comment in this video if you want the next video quickly. So have a great day to all of you.